Ebitongore igana ikumi kurwa mu ihanga rya Netherlands nibyo byehandikise kurwa mu ihangeri okureba ngo byazo omworeko gwa Harvest Man ogurukuza kuba omu kishayi kororo kutandikana n'ebiro 23 by'okwezi oku okusiya ebiro 25.
It's motivational because you can see that farming as a business works, it's successful. You can earn an income with that and be successful. And of course to see the new products from the Netherlands, but also from the entrepreneurs here in Uganda.
Obuhingi n'obulisa nibumwe aha byakubasa kuheza hibura ry'emirimo mu ihanga enshonga habwenki Vision Group ekwatanise na office ya Netherlands omu ihanga barikufayo munonga kutamana omu kwegyesa eby'obuhingi n'obulisa.
I think we really support everything related to agriculture and agribusiness. So it's something that we support from the Netherlands. There are subsidies and programs and projects developed that we roll out here in Uganda.
Orukurra eby'obuhingi n'obulisa omu office ya Netherlands omu Uganda nagira ngu ogu n'omugisha muhanga abanya Uganda na munonga eminyeto.
So definitely there's something that they are interested in. I think the public, the exposure, of course, this Harvest Money Expo, it's a huge event with many visitors, and I've been visiting the expo I think now 3 years. The Dutch pavilion or the village really stands out with, as you also said, all the orange colors. It's really inviting, I think.
Ogunagira ngu Netherlands etireho enteekateeka y'okuha abantu na munonga eminyeto entandikwa ahari aba barabe betebeekanise kurungi.
We have a program specifically focused on youth skilling. It's executed by an Italian NGO called AFSI, the SAY program, and that's specifically aimed at young people, but also in the other food security programs that we run in dairy, in livestock, in horticulture, in farming systems.
Special okusingira dalimwe abasigaze minyeta baryeyo mwije twege tukwasikanye okureba nti ebyo buhingi n'obulunzi twabitaha mutindo. Companies z'abadachi zaza kuba ziri muzikanyire.
Eminyeto hamwe n'abakazi bashabwa kwija omu bwingi aha mworeko ogu gwa Harvest Money ogurukuza kutandika ebiro 23 kusiya ebiro 25 aha kishayi kororo ahabwokuba nabo kworekwa emiringo mingi y'okutungamu esente.
Really like to invite you to the Harvest Money Expo from 23rd to 25th of February at the Kololo Independence Grounds. We'll have an extensive Netherlands village with more than 110 companies showcasing what they have to offer in agriculture, in value addition in agriculture.
Ntuza kuba twineho omworeko hanu ya mukisha cya kororo oguri kuza kuleta abajyo buhingi n'abalisa n'abali mu line yone erakora bya agriculture. Turaza kuba tuliyo okureba ngo twashoma twayega twamanya twayegita naho abo bari na ebibali kukora okuranga byona twabitambuliza hamwe.
Abanya-Uganda barahika omworeko ogu nibija kuboreka obukoryo busyo mu kuhinga hamwe n'okurisa nukwe kubashaba kuhika ha tenti ya Netherlands aha mworeko ogu ahabwokuba nihija kuba hariho buri kimwe kandi aba baine n'obukiikuru 27 oburikuza kuteebwa omu by'obuhingi hamwe n'oburisa omwaka ogu.